Hey guys, what's up? Today in the Book Lab, we are going to... Oh no, not this again. So as you may remember, or not at this point, back in 2018, LEGO released the Iron Man Hall of Armor, and there was an Igor Iron Man suit inside, which, let's face it, that thing was pretty unsightly, so of course I took it upon myself to try to improve the thing, but unfortunately I really didn't look at any of the source material when I was doing that, so you know, while I feel like that Igor was an improvement over the one in the set, it really wasn't very Igor-like. So at some point after that, I don't really remember when, it was probably maybe a couple months later, I decided to go ahead and basically redesign the thing, trying to match it up to the source material as close as possible. So as you can see, obviously we brought back the two giant thingies up here on his head that, you know, seemed to be the most Igor-ish part about him. And of course I also made some other improvements to it, like fixing up some of the gaps on the sides. As you can see here, it's no longer wide open. We have some decent plating on the side, which kind of covers up some of those gaps here. And of course, the best part is that there's even still space inside for an Iron Man figure. Of course, he unfortunately does have to kind of huddle up like that in order to fit all the way and look good, but, you know, I guess it's a small price to pay for having a somewhat decent-ish Igor Mech now. So of course, yeah, we have that. Basically, the entire suit can unfold around the Iron Man figure, so when you're putting him in, you can basically build the suit around him. Not sure if that's a feature of the actual Igor suit, but it is on this one, and I really like it, so I left it in place. And as you can see here, once we had the Iron Man figure out, we can close the whole thing back up, just like it was, and in fact, it probably closes up even a little better because the armor pieces can tuck in all the way now. Basically, the changes that I made to it this time around focused here on the body and in covering up most of those gaps. I'm not sure that it's still 100% good or 100% what it should be, but I tried to also stick to parts that were mostly included in the set. Obviously, I had to branch out and use ones that weren't, but I did what I could here. Anyway, if you want to build it, I'll throw a quick build tutorial up on the screen here. Just a quick note, the legs have stayed consistently the exact same as they have been from my past Igor Mech version, so not really going to bother changing those. I guess those were the one thing that LEGO did get right on the original mech. So yeah, there you have it, Iron Man and his hulking son. Anyway, we'll start the build tutorial and we'll see you on the other side. Alright, and if you followed the build tutorial, you should end up with something that looks a little bit like this, or hopefully exactly like this, unless you made your own changes to it, in which case, go ahead, I'm not gonna stop you. Anyway, yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this build, hopefully this is actually a bigger improvement on the original, and yeah, if you liked it, you already know what to do. Like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that other good stuff, and feel free to keep checking back, because we'll have more videos at some point. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time.